Hello everyone, I am Sandhya Hegde. Currently I am a homemaker and as a hobby I am doing YouTube videos and an influencer in Healofree app. When I thought of restarting my career, digital marketing created a curiosity and I started searching about the courses available online. And there were too many courses and too many informations. I was totally stuck and totally confused to choose the relevant course which best suits for me. I found an ad in Facebook and it was very interesting. I attended the webinar. I was very much satisfied and finally I enrolled to the class, that is 21-day digital marketing career Kickstarter challenge by Alpha Marketer. In this course, the lessons were arranged systematically to understand the topics very easily. During this course, I created my own website and I found my niche. I posted my first blog and I learned about how Facebook ads, Google ads work and how to do email marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to create lead magnets and how landing page works and many more. Most importantly, I learned how to write an eye-catching resume and how to crack my digital marketing interview. Apart from this, if we get stuck anywhere, we can ask our doubts with our mentor during weekly live Q&A sessions and get it clarified. There is an Alpha Marketer community where we can share our thoughts or our doubts or any opinions and we can get our doubts clarified there also. After completion of 21-day challenge, I am having my own website, published blogs, having my own digital portfolio and having experience in each digital marketing fields, that too for free. Yes, you heard it right, it's absolutely free. When you complete the course and submit all the assignments, you will get back full money. Guys, if you are looking for a good digital marketing course to have a strong foundation, then this is the right course for you. Ensure to enroll right now without thinking much. Link is given below to enroll for the class and get ready to transform yourself in just 21 days.